So guys, today I'm going to be showing you the latest Sketchware Pro application, which is the beta version 7, and it is still under development, so when using it you might experience some issues with it. So let's get started. So let me first open the Sketchware application and then show you the updates that have been made to the applications. So on the sidebar over here, you could see that when I go to the application information, you see that the version over here is the version 7, which is the Sketchware Max application. Now also some changes have been made to the app in this version, and note that this version is not a nightly version. This is a new version, the version 7 beta. If you go to this section over here, you could see that some new features have been added to the section over here, which is the code shrinker, the string fog, and then some other things in the library section over here. So over here in the old version, we only have these four library manager over here, but now they've added an external library section and then the advanced library section over here. And then also back to the editor, you see that there are some new components added to the Sketchware applications, which is like the device policy manager and then so on. So I'll be leaving the link to the application in the video description. You should go ahead and then use that link to download the application. It is free. There is no need for you to pay anything to be able to get the application. We just need a data connection to be able to download it. That's all. So thanks for watching the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel.